Everybody to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how we can show basic animation, which is try to take Swift Objective-C file and convert it to Swift in order to produce this kind of an animation. Like you see when you got a question, it pop up. You see this kind of try again. When you got it, that was great, that was great, that was great. You see this kind of animation. This is what we are trying to do for today, so follow along with me. You're gonna go to GitHub. Right here I've already downloaded the zip file. Don't worry, I'm gonna put the link below. You're gonna tab here Progresshud. You see the first one, Objective-C. You just click there, you click download. So this is just exactly what we are going to do. We're going to take this file and incorporate it with our Xcode project, which is Swift. So I've already downloaded. You just click download and then you unzip the file. So this is it. When the download is finished, you have here Progresshud master. From there you click Progresshud. From there you click another Progresshud again. So this 3 folder will appear. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna drag and put into your supporting file. So when you drag here like this, they're gonna be this dashboard appear that create. So I've already created. I'm not gonna do it again. So I'm just gonna click cancel, and nothing is going to take action. So these are all the 3 folder. 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna create a file, and from there what they're gonna do to set up is just very simple. You're just gonna come here, you type, you come to Edge, bleach it, because after you finish click there was something Xcode going to create. You're going to bleach the file because it's an Objective-C file to Swift. So you're gonna type import progresshud.h. So this is what you're just gonna type there. Very simple. And when you type there, you go back to your project. There's just a simple code that you're just gonna type, like for example progresshud.show success. That was great. I can change it here, like I can just say good job. Or maybe here I can like or look, can you type here not correct. So that is the pop-up where when you have a wrong answer, it will show not correct. So let's run our project. You see how it's going to show. So this is it. When I click through, good job, false, good job, false, not correct, not correct, not correct. So basically you can just insert any words that you like to show to the user. Okay, so you can just put anything there, like maybe something went wrong. Okay, so that is how to create a simple animation. You're just gonna create a file depending on depending on the project that you are working on. Progresshud.show success, progresshud.show error. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you guys. Love and share this video. If there's any question, if you guys want me to make a video, please post it down below. Up to then, see you guys.